Hello guys, welcome back to Guitar Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Halo Infinite DirectX 12 error on your PC or laptop and how you can fix this up. So let's dive into it. So the thing what you have to do is, in order to fix the issue, what you have to do is you just have to go over here and you have to update the AMD drivers. If you're using the AMD drivers, you have to update the driver, as well as if you're on the NVIDIA, you have to do this. So I'll be giving link in the description which will take you to this. From here you have to select the graphics, and from which is your graphics, you have to select the respective one, and you have to go for select the respective one, go for update, go for submit, and you have to download the respective one and install it. In the same way you have to go for download NVIDIA drivers, where you have to give your product as well as your product CDs, product name, as well as operating system. If it is Windows 10, go for Windows 10. If it is Windows 11, go for Windows 11, and go for search, and you have to download and install. This is what you have to do. The first one, if you're on the AMD, go for this one, and if you're on the NVIDIA, go for this one. And once it is done, you just have to go for this one. You have to download and install DirectX on your PC, and to do this you just have to go for this one. I'll be giving a link in the description, and you have to click here to download manually. And once you're done with this one, the DirectX is installed on a computer, you have to you'll be getting a .exe file where you just have to open the respective one, and you have to go for install option. And once you're done with this one, you'll be getting an option like this. Go for I accept the agreement, go for next, and you just have to wait for the DirectX to get installed. And once done with the installation process, what you have to do is just have to restart your game, and you have to play the game, and most probably the issue regarding this will be completely fixed. And as you can see, it is done, and you just have to close this up, and you have to do a restart, and most probably the issue regarding this will be completely fixed. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.